Warzone.
Also, video game movie that's very good. Free Guy. Have you guys seen that yet?
My parents said that's really good. I haven't seen it.
It is a very, very good
Yeah,
movie.
I want to watch it.
I suggest watching Free Guy.
It's about
Also
Ryan Reynolds, and he's like a NPC in the game, and he like realizes it one day.
Yep. It's surprisingly, first of all, from a coding standpoint, Logan, you have to turn your brain off for that because
Okay, I mean,
take
every
some
movie-
leaps and jumps.
Yeah, every movie that has coding is
All right,
always just like,
soldier.
I'm hacking into the
Mark a drop
mainframe,
point
and he's
for
just like
you.
slapping his hands on the keyboard.
That's gas you
But
don't want to breathe.
Movie-wise,
Make your way to the
story-wise,
safe
It's good.
zone.
very good.
Okay,
Very, very
yeah,
good.
I've heard good things about it.
Mr. Robot's good in terms of actual coding in the game.
Yeah,
Or in the
I've heard
show.
that too.
Is that the old Will Smith one?
No, that's with
I'll take that.
Raimi, yeah, Rami Malek. He's the like.
Oh,
character.
okay, yeah. I need to watch that. I haven't seen that yet.
Pretty
I
good.
heard good. Yeah.
I'm gonna put that on my list. I'm putting
I
that on my
remember
list right now. Give me a
Aaron
second.
Gurn was super into that show. That and Limitless when we were in college.
Limitless didn't last like but a season though, did it?
Maybe. I never even watched it. I'd only see it whenever we went over to his mate's place.
The movie was pretty good. But I
Never
don't
seen
think
that one either.
the show
Yeah.
lasted very long.
Gotcha. I mean, I don't really know what they were thinking about making a show about that.
About drugs that make your brain better.
Yeah, but it's like you can only go so many ways with that, you know? Like, oh
Yeah.
man, I'm just gonna complete it every time.
I'm high as hell.
Yeah, I'm high as fuck and I'm gonna complete it. Whatever task you put in front of me.
Targets are up. Take them out.
I was not paying attention. Anybody land with us? Got a play box?
Supply box
I don't think so.
identified.
You
Marking
guys want me to I'm just
location
gonna pop the play
now.
box out here? Center of the little village.
Sir, I appreciate you and all your contributions to the realm.
Always, always. I mean, there's gotta be like a team here, right? Is that a bird? Okay.
Is that a bird?
It was just
Hey.
like, it was moving across the screen like it was an open parachute.
It's not a bird. I'm part of the subreddit Birds Aren't Real. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah. Or birds with arms.
Birds with Arms is actually a funny, a
Contract
very good one.
Yeah, it is.
New
I love
objective
it.
identified.
Birds Aren't Real is just a bunch of stupid shitheads.
Oh, what did I do with these gun choices? Hey, remember when we got murdered by a hacker over here, Lucas? Or was this Mono? Yeah, yeah.
I need to check what I'm saying all the time. If we win this game, it's gonna go on YouTube, isn't it? So obviously someone's gonna get pissed at me for calling out Birds Aren't Real.
This shithead. Yeah.
Gas is right on your
Guys,
tail.
we need to lose this game.
Can you open these doors? You cannot. Lucas is gonna sabotage us.
I'm not. First of all, I'm not good enough to help us. I'm not good enough to
Much less
sabotage us.
sabotage.
Yeah.
Dude, this game cannot handle, like, they have this whole map where everything's on a slant, but then all the loot just comes out perpendicular to the ground, so it just goes through everything.
Grabbing that bounty.
I'm heading to you guys.
Got recon on the way.
Oh, shit,
Hey.
okay.
UAV beginning flyover.
Not gonna rotate over quite yet.
Bounty target is up.
Yep, there we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Taking a lot of heat.
trying to get, I don't want to, like, run. Trying to sneak up. There's another team here, fellas. Fuck.
UAV's out of fuel. Ready to fly.
Only broke him.
I got shot from Mexico, right?
Yeah, there's another team here. Team wipe, and then there's a bounty team. Come over, Nathan.
Getting revived.
I spot mid-caliber
Okay.
rounds.
I basically just need ammo. Really? Like, I had no SMG rounds? Fuck.
You need some?
No, I'm alright.
Or-
They're getting shot at by somebody else, or are they shooting at somebody?
They're shooting at us. Oh,
One
wait.
guy's back here,
Location marked.
on the back of that building. Oh, the guy further back.
Yep.
Rally point marked for you.
Down that guy.
Guy here as well. Forget that range.
Bounty
got
target
bounty?
down.
Okay.
Marvelous.
I'm running down the mountain. One guy's on purple, at least.
Purple.
Someone's sniping. There's a guy sniping on orange, yeah. Or car or something. Or M1 Grand, I guess.
Alright, I'm gonna expose myself.
Sounds good.
Throwing a nade in purple.
Frag, going out.
Okay. Oh, close.
Get a lot of heat.
Got you.
South, okay. Wait,
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh, there's more?
Farther
Yeah.
back.
Gotta get back out there.
God,
to
this
the
guy does
left.
not have that range.
Yeah, one left.
And left.
Yeah.
Building over there.
Movement.
One guy's over here. Over here. He ran away. I hit him a few times.
Rally point marked for you.
Oh, I need to get a better gun.
I saw
Alright,
him
he went to
building
the
over
house. Ran towards the house.
Movement.
Okay, coming.
On the back side.
Hey, we can move and buy a UAV if you want. We have the helicache and stealth
Pushing
while we're
this
at it.
guy.
You guys want to push back?
Coming, Nathan.
Okay. Lucas, let's go this way, Lucas. You
there. It's like there's a guy over by me over here.
Okay, coming.
Right here.
Location marked.
Alright, let's try to get to them.
Rock shot at me, bro.
We're coming, guys.
They're rotating behind those tents.
Yeah, I see one guy. deep
Location
orange.
marked for you.
Yep, there he is.
Running
He's running
away?
away. He's running away.
Where at? He got a building.
Orange.
He got in that car. It's got a trophy on it.
He got.
Hey, guys, let's
made
go.
No,
all
that
the way
guy
over
couldn't
there?
have made it to that car in time.
Okay.
There's another guy over here.
Okay. Let's push back and buy shit, guys. We have so much money. No reason to
Alright.
lose it. Yeah.
We can't win this game.
The bloodlust is overtaking you guys.
The horrible things I said about birds with arms or birds
Stop
aren't
saying
real.
it.
You get another bounty too.
All I'm saying is birds with arms is a good subreddit.
Yeah,
birds
yeah.
aren't real as people who are stupid as shit and believe the earth isn't flat.
I just gotta call
Got recon on the way.
my Hydro homies.
UAV beginning flyover.
This flat.
They're still there. There's two on orange.
Location
Buy
marked.
here. I'm gonna buy you.
Here's my money.
Good cash in.
You guys want to push back over that way, or what do you want to do?
Yep, let's do it.
Yeah, get that bounty while you're at it.
Yeah, I got you.
Nice. Yeah. Hold on, Lucas. Let's
Oh, I'm going.
Okay.
What about
with arms?
Bounty target.
Okay, it's not even the same.
Location marked.
It's not the same people.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Whoa,
UAV is
that
out
might
of
be
fuel.
true.
Returning for
They're all a bunch of
gas is
spies.
inbound.
They're all
Yeah.
a bunch of spy
Marking
birds.
new safe
Those
zone.
stupid pieces of shit.
There
I
is
think
one
they're
there.
horrible. Every time they
Alright,
shot
let's-
on my car.
Push back. Let's get Lodi. Why did it go all the way over this way? Fuck you, game. You want me to call a UAV in just in case there's somebody over here, or you think we're good? Smano? Do you see anybody on the
Yeah,
UAV?
go for it, just in case.
Alright, sounds good.
Allied UAV overhead. Hunt them down.
Nothing. I think it's just the guys over on orange still. They were moving further along the coast.
Rally point marked for you.
I'm gonna be sniping.
Sounds good. I'm doing SMG AR combo. If you need any sniper rounds, let me know. I have 40.
I have 40 as well.
Gas is
Okay, nice.
inbound.
I got a rock.
Nice.
Fizz rock.
Fizz rock. Fizz rock has a rock.
Good one. Fizzy Rock
Fizzy rock
is boosting. Yeah.
Bounty's fighting maybe, or is that something
Okay.
else? The bounty's way over there.
Yeah. Do you want
You
to?
could try to kind of go back towards purple and see what's going on that way.
Sure, sounds good. Because yeah, we'll probably get picked off from upper. Just
Yeah,
what I hate about
purple.
this map.
Purple is just did the airstrike.
Yeah.
Okay. They're having to be fighting like in as well. Try and get up here with you, Smano.
I don't see any movement in New York.
Alright. Now just a moment of time until we get attacked from the left. I'm gonna loot this real quick.
Alright. Shots deep that way.
Location marked
Okay.
for you.
Oh, please.
Alright, you guys want to
Uh,
follow me this way?
Yeah, yep.
The airstrike light blue. Purple to
Okay.
light blue is where the airstrike went.
Okay. To our left, car. Probably them.
Oh no, my guy's flicking them off on accident. One guy got out, I think.
The other one was just chilling in it? Or he accidentally changed seats?
Still in the car? No.
I think he accidentally changed seats and his controller died or some shit. I don't know.
Behind, where we came from.
Oh, and over this way, this way.
Target's in my sight.
Nice, good shit, Lucas. Alright, let's go help them. Oh, fucking nice.
Still behind.
Time's
Okay.
up. Objective
Yep, I
failed.
see him.
Coming. I'm throwing a flash over.
Let's move.
We're going right. How close were they?
Like right here. I mean, somewhere.
Okay. Guy sniping from down there. Careful. Red.
Target's in my sight.
Careful about this guy close.
I don't know where they're at, guys.
He's at the building.
I downed one. This tree.
In the building. Oh!
This way.
Rally point mark for you.
He went in the yellow building. I'm coming back. Nathan, back. Sorry.
Broken Blue, he ran out back. He's running away from us.
Okay, I'm looking. Mono.
I'm just gonna come back to you guys. He's bailing.
Okay.
Oh, I see him right
Good.
here.
You
Wait.
Rally point.
guys down. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Not bad, bud. Grab that armor, will you?
Sorry, actually. Here's, no, whatever. Alright,
Team wipe.
no, team wipe. And there's that guy on purple is still there, right? Or did you finish him?
I killed two guys. I don't know.
Okay, well, there's a sniper guy on purple. I just
Oh,
don't
I
know.
didn't know
sniper.
that. Okay.
I killed the sniper.
Okay. So I think it's
Not
the guy
purple
that
though.
dipped.
Purple. I don't know purple actually.
Okay. Yeah, he was taking pot shots at
Stay
us.
down, get UAV or something.
Mark that
Sure, let's do
vendor
it.
for you.
He ran
I
that
have a
way.
UAV. I have UAV.
Oh,
Go and pop it? Yeah. The guy probably went that way to buy
Allied
the guy.
UAV overhead.
He's got
Hunt
ghost, I guess?
them
Okay.
down.
Keep an eye out for him just camping in the building.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Yeah, I just popped my stem. Was moving like a madman. I didn't know where they were.
yeah.
Can't see, you know.
I didn't really either, yeah. Lucas was saying like by the building and I looked but saw nothing.
I hit him a couple times as he was bailing.
Car behind us, fellas?
Car, yeah.
Oh my
Get body! Birds aren't real, my ass.
18 is primed.
Alright, oh wait. Dude, that was sick, it was in midair too. Alright, I don't know who the other guy is.
First of all, guys,
Did you
that'll
record
never
it?
happen again. That'll
Did you
never happen again. No,
should
I did
record
not.
it.
So we had to win this game, so Mono puts it on YouTube.
Well, he's not gonna. Oh, okay, I mean, I guess not from your perspective. I'm moving this guy
Yeah,
real
that's
quick. Where the hell's the body at, though? Oh, here it is.
We can grab this.
Got a bounty contract
Just
here.
do it. Yeah.
Poor guy had. Dude, the guy was working
You're losing
with
ground.
and a
Move it.
rocket launcher.
Wow.
Guy was mad confident. I can't wait till I get more than a 30 round mag on this STG.
And this village looks so nice and peaceful to live in.
Alright, I'll pop a UAV here in a second.
With no electricity or anything.
Yeah, it's
Can we
fine.
get
And
area
being
recon?
in the
Nobody
middle
here
of World War
about
II.
it.
UAV beginning flyover.
It's a good like summer vacation.
Should we buy and
Target
get
is
advanced? You guys want to
Take them down.
do an advanced?
Do what?
Advanced UAV? We have enough for 2 more if we want to
Okay.
quickly pop them.
Yep, I'm throwing
Okay,
them.
popping.
Can we get area
Alright,
Throw my
recon?
money.
Alright,
Right there.
UAV beginning
just so we
flyover.
can see what we're working with. Yeah, here Nathan, here's the last of mine. So here's the pocket UAV.
So there's one guy on the
UAV is
ground.
out of fuel.
Okay, and
Turning
then
for
there's a team
resupply.
here
Mark
and
that
another team
vendor
here.
for you.
They're all
Location
moving.
marked.
They're all moving towards Don or Arsenal. Arsenal's gonna be the bumping place. It looks like there's 2 teams there. Our bounty's probably about to get poached by the people on purple.
UAV is out of fuel.
Oh, nice.
Turning for
Okay.
resupply.
We can use that when the air needs struck. Struck it.
Yeah, get
Struck
all
us
those
from the
birds.
record. Yeah.
All those birds, those damn birds that aren't real or maybe are real. I can't even tell. I've been in this loop so long I don't even know what side I'm on anymore.
I've been inside for so long. I don't know
So
what
I'm
perks
gonna
look
go
like.
UAV.
Yeah, exactly.
Bounty target is
Sounds good.
down.
Yeah, I figured they were gonna die.
Yeah, we got him. All right. Well, we kind of got him.
Okay, that's them fighting. He's coming in. It looks like
Rally point
flying
marked
in.
for you.
What the fuck? Are they on a heli or something?
You guys grab my cash.
Yeah, one is.
Yeah, yeah, and we bought UAVs with it. Or did you pop it?
Yeah.
Oh no, okay. Sorry. I didn't know you dropped it back there, Simona.
Got a bounty contract here.
Rotate to the bounty.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm down for that.
Do I have? I do not. Take this gas grenade.
No boops.
Yeah, I think everybody else is like, oh, okay. They're still on purple, it sounds like.
Yeah.
Way up there.
Might be like more this way.
Rally point marked for you.
Are they past purple or like where are they?
I didn't see him, it was just like the direction I heard it from. And where the guy was shooting earlier.
Probably more on the like buy
Take
area.
that deep breath. You scare me. I feel like there's somebody here.
Alright.
Left,
Oh,
right.
left. Nice.
Wow.
Only him?
Okay,
Gas
yeah.
is inbound.
I
Mark
just
You didn't even see him?
safe zone.
Nice.
No. Alright, he's dead.
Yeah, yeah.
Fan
Careful.
plates. Fan plates.
Yeah, here's
Seen
something.
past
This
bounty.
plate's right here also.
Behind you,
Okay.
Nathan? Okay, good. Let me know if you
I
need
just
more
only
from
had
him.
one. Yeah,
Okay,
dude.
here. There you go.
No boops going towards that bounty.
Down low to the left too.
Definitely, yeah, people in Arsenal for
Rally
sure.
point
I also
marked
have a
for
plate
you.
box if we ever get low on plates later on.
Going up the ladder.
I see him up there.
Hostile.
Okay.
I don't have snipers, so for you guys.
Bounty target has been marked. End them.
Car.
Yep.
Got a light vehicle.
Me breaking glass, by the way. Disabled.
Gas is
Once, but
inbound.
didn't break or anything. Car's still just kind of.
Bounty's
Okay.
kind of coming.
Yeah, so
There he
you,
is.
okay.
Rally point marked for you. All safe.
Careful, guys. The bounty's gonna be up here. Guy floating.
Alright. I'll take the bounty now.
Yeah, bounty's gonna be like this.
Guys,
close.
like,
Rally point marked for you.
guys almost blew it on top of this crane.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, I saw you shooting him. I don't have. Oh, they're shooting at him from up on purple. Our bounty
Okay.
probably killed him.
Okay.
Or at least shot at him. I don't know. I'm trying to keep an eye out for
Parachute
my.
right here.
Made
left.
contact.
Okay.
Cracked.
Another guy right here on the fence.
Targets in my sights.
Hey, he sees me. I can see him.
Guy coming up this way, fellas.
I'm on the
Downhill.
I hit fence guy.
Here. Run away.
Yeah, we should check our behind.
Yeah, I've been checking for it.
Oh, he's a bullet.
Yeah, my gun is not good at that range. They're kind of pushing, maybe.
Yeah, check bounty, right?
Probably either gonna get on crane or in this. Nope, not there.
Location
Not there.
marked
Not
for you.
there. All right, fuck it. Whatever.
Oh,
They're
back.
just-
Sure,
they're
bye.
bush.
Back.
Okay. Okay. Oh, no.
Got me in their crosshairs.
Duck, I can't get through the window.
Your teammate was sent to the
Damn,
gulag.
sorry.
They'll fight for a chance
He
to
jumped down this way. I don't know
redeploy.
where he went.
Snuck up with a Bren.
Supply box
Right here,
ready
right
for
here.
pickup.
Targets in my sights.
Fuck.
One of them dead.
We can buy Nathan back.
Your
Oh
teammate
my
was broken. They're no longer.
Go and buy Nathan back. Oh, okay. Him once, he's up back. But he's over here to the right. People over to the right, careful.
Enemy UAV.
How is he not dead? Buy Nathan back.
Here,
Nathan,
give me money. Give me money. I'm
UAV
gonna do it.
active.
Throw the money down the first floor.
it's right there. Alright, I put down the play box as well.
Airstrike target right here.
Back.
This is Phoenix 3.
There, it's right
Strike
there.
inbound. The gulag's locked down. Area is clear.
We have to move in, fellas.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Sounds good. I got another play box from a dead body.
Enemy is still alive. Repeat, enemy still alive.
Yeah, can we get back to the gas station?
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah,
Allied
we're moving.
UAV overhead.
Just run, Lucas. I'm gonna try to cover you.
Hunt them down.
Come back this way. They don't know that we're moving out.
Oh, there's.
Yeah, it's fine,
above
fine.
me.
Guy in the air.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
Run,
I'm
Lucas.
coming down. I'm just coming.
Okay.
Contract failed. Your time ran out.
I have a play box.
I have a UAV.
Okay. So there's two guys. I don't know if they're necessarily on the same
Rally
team.
point
Hostile
marked for you.
dropping into the area.
He's right here, right here.
All in the area. On the roof.
He's one shot.
Got gas moving in.
Nice. Good shot, Lucas. What the fuck was he doing?
Guy landed back by crane.
Okay.
The guys are coming behind us. I just I'm going down to watch them.
Yeah, that's fair. They do have to come in behind us, guys.
They gotta come in. They're coming in.
Right here. I
There
saw
they
them.
are.
They
There they
have to
are.
buy. They have to buy.
Only point mark for you. Cancel
Purple
that.
one's blue.
Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye behind us. Uphill.
Another team down low right. Kind of over here.
Someone
Location
over
marked
here
for you.
is getting shot at from someone over this way.
Oh, behind me! Close, close,
Where, where?
close, close. On me, on my body. He's on my body. He's looking downhill right now.
So help me out.
Yeah, come. Nice. Okay,
Dang.
they're coming up the hill.
Team
They're coming up the hill.
Oh, I'm getting sniped.
Allied
They're hit.
UAV overhead. Hunt them down.
They precision move
Precision.
from that spot. Don't come towards us, Moto. They're
No.
coming up the hill. God, 40 is not good at that range.
It's far down. Crap.
I'm fine. They're coming.
Right, going out.
Damn it, give me.
Target's in my sights.
His buddy's moving left.
Victory rests on your shoulders. Finish the mission.
3 down there.
Oh no.
Dang.
No.
You were one of
Birds are real.
Let's go.